today's world, people have become so rights conscious that they can only think of themselves, their family, and their needs. We have to ask, how can nation building take place in such a scenario? The process of building a nation is like growing a garden. If we start by sowing seeds, we can grow a beautiful garden. If, however, we begin by building the garden itself, we will not be able to achieve our goal. The building of a nation is, similarly, a lengthy affair. There is no shortcut for it. If we want to build our nation, we have to educate and train our citizens to develop the national character. To train citizens of our nation, the Nation First program aims to change the thinking and conduct of citizens away from rights consciousness and towards the duty first approach. It then aims to develop national character in citizens so that they can inculcate the nation first spirit of compromise and cooperation and the willingness to endure short-term setbacks for the long-term good of the nation. By developing patriotism or the nation first in themselves, citizens can play a positive role in nation building.